What up, my fellow drivers? It's your boy, the JDM Goon here, behind the camera and behind the wheel, showing you all the clean and crazy content for every car enthusiast. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Camber. So if you haven't seen in my last video, I did a crazy suspension rebuild on the S2000, and I pretty much just cambered the living hell out of it. Crazy. I'm like -9, -10 degrees on the front and back, so pretty insane amount of camber. I was running TE37s. These are 18 by 10 plus 30 with the 215/40, and they looked really clean. I'm not gonna lie. Most of the footage is on the first video, so go check it out. But for now, let's check out these tires. So as you guys can see, wires on wires on wires on wires. This one was just about to go, but these were the front and these were the rear. I played a little bit more with the rears, but as you can see with the fronts, crazy. I only ran them for about 2 months at about 2,000 miles, so there goes to show what it can do. A little bit of rep wheel action right here. Check them out. Not too bad. I got these for a pretty good deal. These are staggered 18 by 9 and 18 by 8, so not too crazy. What do you guys think? Should I run staggered or square setup? Let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think would look better on the S2000? But alright guys, that's enough chit chat for a little bit. I'm craving some coffee, so how about we go on a little cruise, do a little POV action for you guys, and feel a little bit of Vtec. Let's get it. The struggle is real every time I get out of my driveway. Super slow. Feels so stiff ever since I did the rebuild. It's crazy. The stocks don't feel too bad. They're actually less bouncy than the TE, so I'm surprised about that. Top end on these cars is pretty crazy. Not too bad. Try another one right here after these train tracks. Alright, no problem.
Thank you. Hi there. Thank you so much for your patience. What can I serve for you?
Oh no, you're good. Could I get a grande iced caramel macchiato?
Yeah. Can I get you anything else?
Yeah, let me get extra caramel drizzle on it, please, and that's it.
Yeah, of course. Anything else?
No, that's it for me.
Alrighty, it's 25.68.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Thank you. Hello.
How you doing?
It's gonna be 5.68.
No problem.
There's your drink.
Alright, no problem. Thank you.
And there's your card.
Alright, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, you too. Got my drink, guys. I'm telling you, iced caramel macchiato with extra caramel drizzle. Fire. I need to pull over right here and mix it. You gotta mix it though. You gotta mix it because they don't mix it for you. Otherwise, it's gonna take like straight, you know what. If I could open the straw. I'm trying to be so careful, guys. Jesus. Please mix. This is the hardest mission I've ever done in my life. This road is super bad. Trying to dodge all these little potholes right here. You guys see that? Super bad road. Reno does not have a lot of nice roads, guys, so putting this car at risk, keeping it this low. That's why I want to raise it. See if this little Nissan Murano wants to have it. You want a little Nissan Murano? You guys want it? Oh, oh, Murano has the lead. Damn, slow 2K. Bro, no, Monica. Damn, Murano's pulling. Woo! Going 150. Freaking Murano has a 2JZ twin. Yeah, I just got smoked by a freaking SUV, man. Damn, man. Nice car. What's the real time on one of those? More than you can afford, pal. Murano. Oh, shoot. Alright, guys, we are back. I finally got my coffee. I felt like I have a really bad addiction, guys. I'm only 4 minutes away from my house, and look, I'm already this much done with it. But anyways, onto the car. Caffeine brings out the honesty in me, so let's get to it. Should you camber out your S2000? So I'm going to give you a very small yes. But it's still a yes, only because, guys, look at it. I'm telling you, you can make your car look freaking mint. With the right setup, right wheels, you can make any car look beautiful with camber and dialing in your fitment. So that is why I say yes. And also, come on, guys. I feel like it's so funny when all these people look at you just because you're portions of inches off the floor and your wheels are just so freaking crooked. They're like, yo, how does he do it? I got the magic finger, my guy. I'm telling you, it's crazy. You have no idea how many lawsuits I'm dealing with right now just because all the necks I've broken. But anyways, should you camber out your S2K? Only for the experience, because for the long run, it might not be the best idea if you want to keep buying tires every 2 months. So with that being said, I do want to raise the car, take out some camber, and run a little bit more of a aggressive setup. I'm going to order some new tires, maybe for the TEs or for the reps, just because they're staggered. You guys let me know in the comments what you guys want to see first. So there's not really a right or wrong answer into cambering your car. I just feel like you guys should just do what you want. But my personal opinion, I don't think it's really worth it in the long run. So you guys might want to think about that. But it's your car. You guys make your own decisions. So what can I tell you? Like, come on, who's gonna stop you? It's your build. Don't let anyone bring you down. You know how many times people have told me my car looks so whack with a camber? I said, okay, cool. I guess my car looks whack to them. Well, you think that bothers me? Of course not. Come on. Oh, and guys, real quick, check it. Let me get on my flashlight. You guys, my life is literally on a death wish right now. Check it. Yeah, see that? I'm like literally 2 millimeters away from my camber arm scraping on these 16-inch stocks. It's crazy. And I haven't yet. But like, look. Crazy, guys, crazy. But anyways, thanks guys for taking the time and watching this video and finding out what my personal opinion on camber is. Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? I'm gonna say there's no right or wrong answer for a quick summary. It's your build, it's your project. So do whatever you want to do with your car. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Do what makes you happy. Don't care about anything else. But alright guys, thanks for sticking with me to the end. Make sure you like this video if you want more of my personal opinion on certain things. And don't forget to subscribe, because I'm going to be posting a lot more content. I'm going to go hard on the come up, you guys. Only for the satisfaction of my viewers. So with that being said, check out my last video. Stay tuned for the next one. And I'll see y'all later. JDM Goon out.